Hi, my name's Colin.
So my name's Katie.
Hi, my name is Omar.
I'm a shutter fitter.
I am the marketing assistant.
I am a sales administrator at the
Shutter
Shutter
Studio.
It's a family-run business, so a lot of us, even though I don't have the same last name as the founding family, we all still feel as one big family. We all we all have a respect for each other's role. We all have a sense of pride of what work we do.
Favorite part about my job is that there's always something different happening, different houses, different window styles. Some houses are easy to get to, some are not, so there's always a challenge no matter what day of the week we're working. And yeah, every job's different, so nothing's ever the same. And meet different people, meet the customers, get to see different areas of the UK, and that's about it.
I think that how much the company and team has expanded and how that's sort of changing all of our roles in general. I've been able to go out to a variety of different homes in different areas, come to events. The customers can see a variety of different places now because of how much we've expanded and the work that we're doing.
Personally, I feel like the most rewarding feature is being able to truly transform a customer's house from having, say, for example, no coverings to having a range of different shutter and blind options in a range of different colours.